Hola chicos, ¿están listos para prepararse para el examen número 1? Or, as I would prefer to call it, the preparación para prueba de habilidades. So, a test of your abilities. All right, let's see. This is your chance to prove all of the things that you have mastered so far in this class. And I know it's a lot. I'm pretty impressed with you guys. So let's see here. What you should know. All right, with all of this information, you guys, you need to be able to produce it and you need to be able to understand it. So we're looking at performance and we're looking at comprehension mostly. You know that is 80% of your score, and these tests are weighing heavier than regular assignments. So it's important that you take the time to put in the effort to polish up your skills, okay? So here we go. You can look through this on your own. I'll just say pause the video here while you read through, okay? On your notes sheet, after you've read these, you are going to decide from this list, what is it that you need the most help on? That's going to help you write your goals after you've finished this practice, okay? All right, so you are going to take time now, pause this, look at the slide deck, read this paragraph about Jaden Smith, and then get ready to listen to my questions. So hit pause, and once you've read, come back to me. All right, here we go. Question number 1, número 1. ¿Cuántos años tiene Jaden? ¿Cuántos años tiene Jaden? Número 2. I'm going to ask this one in English. What time of day is she writing you this letter? What time of day is she writing you this letter? And I expect you to answer this question in English, okay? All right. Número 3. ¿Cuándo es el cumpleaños de Jaden? ¿Cuándo es su cumpleaños? Remember, you can pause in between to type these answers. ¿De dónde? So this is number 4. ¿De dónde? Number 4. ¿De dónde es Jaden? ¿De dónde es Jaden? Número 5. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? It's a silly question to have this far in, right? ¿Cómo se llama? And the last question, it's a bonus. ¿En qué estación es su cumpleaños si vives en Indiana? ¿En qué estación es su cumpleaños si vives en Indiana? All right, muy bien. Repeat these if you need to. Type them in, listen one more time. Make sure you do your reading before. It will help. Okay? Now, you are going to pause this video and you are going to write an email back to Jaden. You can use her model to help you. Okay? Do not use a translator. You have got this. It's simple. Keep it super simple. All right? Kiss it. All right? Pause and write, and then come back to me. All right, I need you to take a few minutes, look over your advertisement that you see here. You can look on your slide deck if my stuff is in your way there, okay? And then answer the questions. I will pause while you do that, or you just pause me while you do that, and then come back. You can do this on, these questions are also in your Google Doc, so you can go back and forth. All right, time to talk. You will be given the chance to practice what you're going to be asked to do with myself or with Senora Fritz on your exam. So you're going to go to your textbook, go to the assignments tab, right? I'm going to do it really quick for you so you can see, no excuses here, right? So let's see, we got to go to Clever. That's the easiest way for me, at least, to get there. So I'm going to log in with my Google. Y'all know how to do this. You should know how to do this by now. I'm going to click on my pretty owl, my wayside owl, not that other owl. I don't know what that owl is doing, but this wayside owl. I'm going to go to my book. I'm going to go to my assignments because Señor Macias has already put it in there. Presentémonos. Okay, presentémonos. There we are. This is where you're going to practice your speaking. All right? So click the attempt button. Bam. And then you're going to do the recording. All right? You saw how easy that was? You can get there. Don't tell your parents you can't. All right? So then after that, in your Google Doc, it's going to ask you to reflect on which of the questions was the most difficult for you. All right? So go ahead and do that. And then tell me if you were able to upload your assignment or not, because I'm trying to figure out if people are still having trouble with that. Okay, here we go. Now that we've talked, it's time to listen, all right? I'm going to read for you 2 introductions on 2 students, and I want you to fill in the information in the box provided in your Google Doc. So here we go. Remember to pause if you need to. Hola, me llamo Luisa. Yo soy de Guatemala. Tengo 15 años. Mi cumpleaños es el 20 de mayo. Rewind if you need to hear that again. Okay. And I'm going to read the second one. Hola, me llamo Luis. Y mi cumpleaños es el 8 de septiembre. Soy de Costa Rica y tengo 17 años. Tengo 17 años. Remember to pause if you need to, go back, and fill in your table. Now, I want you to spend some time thinking about where you need to study most. These are some ideas that can help you improve your skills that you've noticed are lacking. Like I said at the beginning, I wanted you to think about what you needed, and now I want you to reflect on that. So go ahead and list out what you need to work on and what you're going to do to help yourself be ready for this assessment.